Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to talk about the Shiba Inu coin. We're going to go over an article that was broke about 2 hours ago. We're going to talk about the price action that's going on with those Shibi. Just before we get into it, guys, remember I'm not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research before investing. It says retail is here. They're just buying Shiba Inu instead of Bitcoin. While Bitcoin is yet to see the return of retail investors, Shiba Inu has taken center stage, according to the Google Trends. It says retail investors have always played a major role in the cryptocurrency space, but it seems they are yet to arrive at the Bitcoin scene now. At least this is what Google searches show for the largest cryptocurrency. Simultaneously, it seems they have a new favorite, the Shiba Inu. It says Bitcoin and retail investors have frequently moved hand in hand. Back in 2017, when cryptocurrency charted, it hit its all-time high of 20,000. Smaller investors were primarily behind the rally. Something similar transpired 3 and 4 years later when Bitcoin tapped its April all-time high. The Google search is typically a valid indicator of retail behavior, spiked once more. However, the situation seems quite different now. As reported a few weeks ago, the number of queries on the world's largest search engine contained either Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin was still relatively low. Yet the asset went on to register a new all-time high of $67,000 shortly after. The searches rarely increased despite the new record. Probably because it's $67,000 per one Bitcoin. Similarly, the situation with another popular query, buy Bitcoin, stays relatively low. The number of such Google searches picked, up earlier this year amid the previous peaks, but has barely increased before and after the most recent one at 67,000. And it says, but they are here for Shiba Inu. Further Google Trend data shows that the smaller investors are typically present in the cryptocurrency landscape, but are not looking good for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or Binance Coin. They have even forgotten about the previous 2021 sensations, Dogecoin and SafeMoon. Not so sure about that. Temporarily, maybe, but long term, I don't think they have. Instead, they are now primarily searching for the self-proclaimed Doge killer, the Shiba Inu. As the graph above demonstrates, Shiba Inu's projected weekly queries will smash the previous all-time highs, which came earlier this year. In fact, they were surpassed in the same dominant fashion as the asset's price charted a new record earlier this week, roughly double up. This coincided with the recent boom of the Shiba Inu, launched as a meme coin last year. It has seen impressive growth in terms of adoption from retail, including the massive Shiba army, currently represented by hundreds of thousands of fans. The cryptocurrency is arguably the best performer since the start of the year, with a mind-blowing return on investment of more than, oh my man, my lord, look at that, 100 million%. You got that right, 100 million%. The chances of such an impressive surge to slip up the minds of investors, mainly of whom aim for quick profits, are pretty slim. Nevertheless, the cryptocurrency community has seen many similar trends come and go, many of which resulted in mass pain for those who came late to the party. This doesn't necessarily mean that the same fate could reach Shiba Inu as well. However, further investors should focus on doing proper research to look for fundamental reasons why they want to buy a particular asset instead of going after what is currently hot. Could not agree with you more. Coin market cap and crypto potato. What a name. Okay, so we're going to take a look at the chart here and talk about the price action. Very, very interesting just within this past 10 minutes of what I've seen. So Shib was down pretty much all day today. I mean, you can see here, it just kept going down and down and down and hit a low here. And then I came up just to check the price of it and check if there was an article. And within, probably 2 to 3 minutes, it shot up. It was actually in the green, almost 10%. And now we're down about 3.5%. You know, this thing is very volatile, but to be down about 15% at one point today, and then all of a sudden bounce back and come up to, +8 shows that we're holding fairly well around these levels here. And that's something to really keep an eye on. So we're going to look at kind of a longer term chart, and that way we can kind of get an idea of where our support and resistance are. So Our support's basically at 4 zeros and 6. That's where we really want to hold steady at. If we break below there, we're going to obviously see some more downside, probably to the 4 zeros and 5 level. But the fact that we're popping our head back above water is a good sign. So this may be where we start consolidating, or we could push back up higher and retest those all-time highs. We just kind of have to wait it out and see what happens from here. But I just wanted to show you that we're currently ranked 10 on CoinMarketCap.com. And yeah, so I just wanted to give you that update, and you see we're already up 1% since the time of me talking about the chart. So I want to give you the update on Shiba Inu. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.